Hi bakers, and welcome back. Today, we are making the crown jewel of Latin American desserts, Tres Leches cake. The name literally means 3 milks, and it's a super light, airy sponge cake bathed in a rich, sweet milk mixture, then topped with fluffy whipped cream. Forget dry, dense cake. This is melt-in-your-mouth perfection. Let's get started. First, let's look at what you need. We'll divide this into 3 parts: the sponge cake, the milk soak, and the topping. The secret to a perfect tres leches is a super light, absorbent sponge. That comes from whipping our eggs correctly. We'll be separating our yolks and whites for maximum volume. Step 1. Whip the egg whites. Start with your egg whites and a pinch of salt. Beat on medium-high speed until they become foamy. Now, gradually add about half of your granulated sugar and continue beating until they form stiff, glossy peaks. Set these aside carefully. We do not want to deflate them. Step 2. Beat the yolks. In a separate bowl, beat the egg yolks with the remaining sugar, vanilla, and a touch of milk until they are pale yellow and nice and fluffy. This takes about 2 minutes. Step 3. Combine. In a separate bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour and baking powder. Now, pour your yolk mixture over the flour mixture and gently fold it in with a spatula until just combined. Step 4. Fold in the whites. Finally, add your whipped egg whites to the batter in 2 batches. Fold gently. Use a cutting motion, turning the batter over itself. This is crucial. If you overmix, you'll knock out the air and get a dense cake that won't absorb the milk. Step 5. Bake. Pour the airy batter into your prepared 9-13-inch pan, spread it evenly, and bake at 350 degrees, 175 degrees, for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Let the cake cool completely in the pan. While the cake is cooling, let's make the heart of this recipe, the Tres Leches soak. It's so simple. Step 1. The 3 milks. You'll need 3 things: a can of sweetened condensed milk for sweetness, a can of evaporated milk for creaminess, and some heavy cream, or whole milk, for richness. Whisk them all together until completely uniform. You can add a splash of vanilla or a dash of cinnamon here too if you like. Step 2. Prepare the cake. Once your cake is totally cool, take a fork or a skewer and poke holes all over the surface. Be generous. This is how the cake will soak up every delicious drop. Step 3. The soak. Slowly and evenly, drizzle the entire milk mixture over the cake. The edges often need a little extra attention. It may look like a lot of liquid, but don't worry, your beautiful sponge will absorb it. Step 4. Chill. Cover your cake and refrigerate it for at least 3 to 4 hours. But ideally, overnight. This soaking time is essential for maximum moisture and flavor. Welcome back! Our cake is perfectly chilled and soaked. Now for the perfect cloud-like finish. Step 1. Make the whipped cream. Pour a pint of cold, heavy cream into a clean bowl. Add a little powdered sugar and a splash of vanilla. Beat on medium-high speed until you achieve beautiful, soft, voluminous peaks. Again, don't overwhip, or you'll end up with butter. Step 2. Frost. Spread the whipped cream evenly over the top of your chilled cake. Don't worry about making it perfect. The rustic look is part of the charm. Step 3. Garnish and serve. I love to finish mine with a sprinkle of cinnamon and a handful of fresh berries. Strawberries or raspberries are a classic choice. Slice a generous square and serve immediately. It's best served cold. Look at that crumb. It's light, creamy, sweet, and perfectly moist. That is the taste of a truly great Tres Leches cake. Thank you for baking with me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what dessert you'd like to see me make next. Happy baking, everyone!